Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy sugar in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in-game, search for the restaurant, which is signified by the spoon and fork icon. Go near it to interact, and then press F. And then click on the first option, which will bring up the menu of the restaurant. Scroll down until you find sugar, which is right over here. Click on it, and then on the bottom right side of your screen, you will see an option called Purchase. Click on it. As you can see, this item is going to cost 405 Mora. To go through with the purchase, click on this Purchase button right here, and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming